Let's take a look at the Quick Edit feature in the Items section of Rposio Cloud. To get there from your home page, just click on Item. You'll be greeted by the normal item detail page. If you go up to the top, click Quick Edit, and that'll drop down the Quick Edit pane. Your regular grid is pushed down below. You can still search to find whatever items you want to look at, or use your filters. The Quick Edit pane is designed to make adding items and changing some of the details fast, rather than going through all the steps of the detailed item edit. To do so, you first choose your store. Then you're going to enter your product number. Click Add New Product. Give it a description. And then from here, choose your department. You can choose a brand if you choose to, size, qualifier, add a price. If you have a cost, you can enter it now or leave it at 0. And then just selling rule and whatever tax. Click Add Item, and that's it. Editing items with Quick Edit is just as easy. To do so, click Quick Edit again. Again, you're greeted by the Quick Edit pane, and you can see it's set up to add an item. But instead, we're going to find some items to change. So let's find our Tic Tacs. I'm going to use a filter that I pre-made. I'm going to select them all, and now you can see up here, as soon as you select an item, the preview pane changes so that you can just modify rather than add all of the information again. You'll choose your business unit that you want to change it at, and then decide what you want to change. Let's change the price from $159 to $169. That's all I want to change. I'm just going to hit Update, and now it's done. You can see some of the other attributes that you can update for whichever items you choose. So you could do price, cost, you can change them by margin or markup, change the selling rule or tax. All you have to do is hit Update, and it's quickly done. Thanks for watching this walkthrough. For more information, visit us at www.insightrs.com or email support@insightrs.com.